ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಿದಂಬರ, ನಿನಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿನಗೆ ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ.
ಸದ್ಗುರುನಾಥ್ ಮಹಾರಾಜ್ ಕಿ ಜೈ. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸಹೋದರ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಸಮರ್ಥ ಸದ್ಗುರು ಗಣಪತರಾವ್ ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೂರ್ಣಾಶೀರ್ವಾದವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir. God bless you.
I wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir.
Wish you happy birthday, sir. Wish you happy birthday, sir.
Good morning, sir. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Wishing you a happy birthday and a great year to come. You are the role model of us and youths. ಈ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಯಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಫಲಿಸಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಸರ್.
Happy birthday, sir. May God bless you with good health, happiness and prosperity. Thank you.
Namaste, sir. Many more happy returns of the day. God bless you, sir.
ಹಸುವಿಗೆ ಕರು ಚಂದ, ನವಿಲಿಗೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಚಂದ, ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಮಗು ಚಂದ, ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೈಲ ಪರಿವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇ ಚಂದ. ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಸರ್.
Happy birthday, wishing you as a bright and inspiring as your leadership, sir. Thank you.
Wish you happy birthday, sir.
ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಸರ್. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ನಾವಿಕರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪವಾಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Wishing you many more candles to blow. Happy birthday to you, sir. Level up the day.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir. God bless you.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir. May God bless you.
I am very happy to wish a very great personality, that is Chidambar, sir. Your positive attitude and motivational words are inspired to all youth. I wish you a very wonderful happy birthday, sir. May this year Lord Shiva bring the wrath of happiness and joy success.
You are not just a boss. You are an inspiration. You are the leader. In this special day, on behalf of Sri Shaila Parivara, I am going to wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Chidambar sir. God bless you, sir. You are a power of the SSVK. Happy birthday once again.
Good morning, sir. One of the great personalities celebrating his birthday on this special day. I wish you many more happy birthday, sir.
Hi, sir. I wish you many more happy returns of the day. May your life filled with joy and everlasting enthusiasm that your life keeps my ever, sir.
Good morning, sir. Your work is always inspiration to all of us, sir. Wish you happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Namaste. Wishing you many more candles to blow and have a wonderful birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, sir. May God bless you with a year filled with health, happiness and prosperity.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಸರ್. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು. ಆ ದೇವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಕರುಣಿಸಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Happiest morning, sir. I am grateful for your constant guidance and support. It truly means a lot. I wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir.
Wishing a very happy birthday to the great person of our Shaila Parivar. Happy birthday, sir.
Wish you happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. Stay blessed.
Namaste, sir. Wish you happy birthday, sir. God bless you.
Wish you happy birthday, sir.
Wishing you a very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead, sir.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday